recording.
No.
I'd say she's a little fucked, bud.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Let's see the oil. What the fuck is this bolt? No, this one even really. Oh, crispy, smoky. Smells like metal. It smells like gunpowder.
It does.
It's
Yeah.
weird. Yeah.
You can see it smoking.
Can you?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Let's tear it out.
I wonder why she's not firing.
That's far.
Oh yeah, the wire's cut. Ow, that was the fan.
Yeah. Right behind you.
I think about one.
Hit his head on.
I think she bent the connection rod. Hold on, stop it. Let me hand crank it. Just tap it. Hold on.
I got it.
There we go. Try it. Hey, I think I found the problem. Isn't this the carburetor? Hold on, let me put this back in. I think that's supposed to go right. I think it's supposed to go in the right. No, she didn't right back.
Then turn it over. Put some dirt in there, then turn her over.